Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download offline videos on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Rather than downloading TikTok videos manually, offline videos automate the process. It lets you download between 50 and 200 videos at once so that you can enjoy them offline later. Of course, to save mobile data while using TikTok, you should use offline video when you are connected to Wi-Fi. You can then watch this video when you are no longer connected. Examples include when you are going to an appointment or when you have a flight. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can tap on your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Now tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down on chat and cellular section. There is an option offline videos. You can tap on that. Here you can choose offline videos. You can download videos to watch offline. They'll be refreshed by new content when you are next connected to Wi-Fi. You can download 50 videos until 200 videos. For the example, I will just choose 50 videos. You can tap on continue. Now you can tap on downloading. So here's the offline video. You can watch it when you can see here's unwatched videos. And I will turn off my mobile data, but I can still watch the video. You can see without buffering, I can still watch the video from the TikTok, and you can also see how much video that you've watched here. There's still 40 unwatched videos that I can still watch on my TikTok. And when you until your limit 50 videos, when you enable your internet, the video will be refreshed. And if you want to delete the offline video, you can just open this, tap on settings, and you can tap on clear here. So that is how to download offline videos on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.